What is your AAA idea? Mine is traveling Alberta. What I did is go to bird sanctuaries, and I had a lot of fun and found out that these two places are pretty cool to check out. It's a nice morning. So I just arrived at Frank Lake, Alberta, Canada, and we're here just getting for sunrise. So we're here at the Gaetz Lake Bird Sanctuary. I like it here. They got lots of blinds. Let me show you some of the pictures that I had taken. The point is to explore. You might be surprised what you may find.